My name is Ryan.
This is Mackenzie.
Mitchell Kishner.
Carly Kruger.
The first one.
I would say 18 to 21.
B.
The 18 to 21.
Actually, it's 15 to 24. Oh, wow. Okay.
C.
77%.
77.
77.
Yeah.
I'm good at this.
Extremely important.
Very.
Really, really important.
Very.
For me, I want my kid to have like the best life possible, and I cannot give that to them right now.
I'm not quite sure.
False, maybe?
True.
I would say false.
False.
It's true.
Oh, boy!
Let's go. One and 8.
I bet hardly any.
2.
I don't think anyone does.
1 and 5. Do you know yours?
Probably not.
Do you know yours?
No.
Do you know yours?
Yes.
Do you know yours? No. Extremely important.
They're
Very.
I mean, I feel like you should, but like, if you're not sexually active, then I don't think it's like a dire need.
They're bad for you, and also sting really bad sometimes.
because they're bad for you.
I feel like more than 1 in 5 MSU students are like sexually active, so more than 1 in 5 should know like their ST, like what they're having.
1 in 5.
Probably like the older you get, the least likely you are to use a
I think the older you get, the smarter you should get, so you should use condoms. But apparently that's not how it works.
A range that people are most susceptible to STIs. Figured it wouldn't be as low as 15.
I'm STI free.